Hey guys, today's video is the first of my spring declutter series. I was eager to declutter this year, and today we're starting off with decluttering books and sorting out the stationery area. Now, we don't have a huge book collection, but I just remember there were books that we just never used because we never really found them useful. And also you'll see, like, on this little bookshelf here, I'm actually going to get rid of that. It used to be a desk and then it became a bookshelf. It's a long story, but yeah, I just felt like this bookshelf was too wobbly. It wasn't used for anymore. It seemed dangerous to even put books on it because of obviously little ones. So I'm getting rid of it and then like giving this space, like just getting rid of it. And these were the books I decluttered, and now I'm tackling the next bookshelf. Next, I tackled this stationery area and just made it look nice and organised, and got rid of colours that dried out, and yeah, looks organised. Also, I tackled this IKEA lack shelf, which I'm going to get another one later on this year. I just made it look nice, organised the board games, basically everything that was on this shelf that you're seeing that I'm getting rid of, I put on the IKEA lack shelf. And yeah, this is going in the bin. Oh, actually, I think I might use the shelves for a DIY, but I'll let you know on another video if I do. But yeah, this is the final result. I'm so happy with organising everything and decluttering the books. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next spring clean video. Take care of yourselves. Bye guys.